What if I told you that in this video there is a new method in order for you to access Google Veo 3 to create unlimited videos with no watermark, no login details required, no credit card required, and no VPN required. You can use this site to create as many realistic videos as you want, and trust me, it's 1000% free. I don't want to use 100% because this site is so powerful. Let's just get straight into the video.
So first of all, you need to come here and search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. So when it comes here, just go ahead and click on the first option as seen. So when you come here, what you need to do is just to click here on generative AI. You click there, so just give a little time for option to actually come up. So when this option comes up, you are going to see generative AI with vertex AI prompt design. So you just click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to see something like sign to join. You click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to sign in with your Google account. You ask to enter your date of birth, let's say February 12. Then here so you need to put a year that makes you older than 18 years, so you could be able to access this, and you click on accept, and let's wait for that. So after clicking on that, you click on the start lap here. So when you come here, you are just going to go ahead and click and hold on those links. So open it in a new incognito tab.
In case you come to this stage and you experience any error, I didn't really capture the error when I got it, when I was trying to access the site. So in case you actually come across that kind of error, let me tell you one thing you need to do. You see a place for you to appeal. So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and click on that appeal method and appeal. So what you need to do is just to put in your date of birth and make sure the date of birth on your Google account is over 18 years, because if you are under 18 years, you won't be able to access this site.
So when you come here, you are just going to see all of these options like this. So the one you need to click is just this vertex AI. You click here. So when you click here, you are going to see a lot of options here. So just come right here and click on Media Studio. So when you click on that, just give it a little time for it to actually come up, and boom. Okay, so when it comes here, you see this option here, generate video view. So just go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you choose your model, view 3, view 3 fast, view 3 preview, view 3 fast preview. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on view 3 fast. So this number of result, it actually depends on how many video you want each prompt to generate for you. So I'll just leave it at 4 video, because this actually give you a time, like this actually makes you to choose the one that you actually need to go for. So you come to this right.
So if at this point you've not liked this video, you've not shared, you've not comment, I don't know what they're still waiting for. Please do to smash on the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring a new video. And lastly, don't forget to drop a comment and also share this video to get to as many persons that might want to see this kind of tutorial right now.
Your prompt here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste up my scripts here. That is my script. Okay, I need to delete some part of the script that is not relevant. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click to delete some part of the script. Okay, so how you just need to do just to hit on that, sorry guys, you just need to hit on this enter button, and let's just wait for our video to be ready. Boom, as the video has actually been successfully generated. Guys, so sorry about that. I'm using my voice to actually complete this part of this video. I don't know why my screen recording did not capture my voice at this moment. So this was just like an interview question. The person was actually answering the question, and here is the last video.
What's one thing you regret not doing this year?
Honestly, not starting my YouTube channel earlier. I kept doubting myself.
You can see how realistic good looking this video is. So just hit on that download button to download your video right inside into your phone gallery, guys. So after that, I just need to click here to close it, and I have another prompt. Remember I told you that you can use it to create unlimited videos for your YouTube channel and all of those stuff like that. So I'll just click here to select all, and I'll just go ahead to paste in my prompt. I'm pasting my prompt. I have some other things that I actually need to go away with, so like those parts I don't really need, so I'll just go ahead and click on the delete button to delete it. You know, the first video we did, we went for 4 videos per prompt. So in this second one, we are not going to do like that. I'm just going to go ahead and choose 2 videos per prompt in the second option. So just go in right there and drag it to 2. If you want it to 3, you drag it forward to 3, and boom, our video is here. So let's just play it and see. Remember, we are creating an ASMR video. So this is the first video. Let's click on the second one to play and see, so that we can actually go ahead and choose the one we actually need to go for. That is one thing I love about this app. You can see how the second ASMR video is. So I think I will need to go with that. So just hit on that download button to download your video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and that is that for that.
So now you have it, guys. This is how you can actually use this site to create more realistic videos for your YouTube account, TikTok or Instagram account, or even Facebook, and be making thousands of millions of naira every month by just giving it a prompt. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try out using the site, and if you actually face any error, please do well to drop that in the comment section, and I'll actually give answer to all your questions. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel, and also follow this page for more amazing tutorial like this, because I have a lot of videos about how to access Google Veo 3 for free. So if this video get up to 1000 views, I'm actually going to upload that video anytime soon. So bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.